everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to project number 9 in the Countdown to Christmas series. We're moving right along here. So today I'm sharing with you these cute pillow boxes that I've made. I recently, well not too long ago, purchased one of those little pillow box punch boards, and you can create a variety of different of these cute little pillow boxes, from little small ones to the one I'm going to create today is from 6-inch paper, 6 by 6 inch, and then they have some longer ones that they're showing on here as well. So, but they're really fun to do, and you can, you know, create them for table favors or maybe craft fair items. You can fill them with a variety of things. They hold, you can fit quite a bit inside there. So these are the ones that I've made. So, no, I guess I did not put that on properly. Anyways, this is the first ones I've did here out of this pretty gold and kind of a light bluish tones with these pretty feathers on there. And the ends just open like this. You have the little half circle so that you can get your fingers in there easily to open it. And it's on both ends. And then you can just decorate it however you like. That one had a snowflake on it, but I obviously have to put that back on. So it's just like a little tag like that you can make. Then I have this one here. It's in kind of a silvery white paper, and got Noel on the front of that, and just tied on with a little, it's kind of a jewelry type stretchy cord there. And obviously that can stay on because it doesn't affect the opening of the box. And it just opens like this, close up. So there's that one. And then this one is out of a plaid Christmas kind of paper, or I guess it could be even a masculine kind of paper as well. And it says Be Jolly on there that I've stamped out, and just tied it up with some little red twine on there. So that's another cute one. I've done another one out of that same kind of gold feathery pattern on here, and then I just added a little circle that says With Love on there, and a little vine and some little gold stickle on there. So I mean, there's a lot of different ways you could dress these up. And then I have another one in the same, which I haven't decorated yet as well. But yeah, there's a lot of different things you could put on them. You could use stickers, or you know, cut out some other words from ephemera, or yeah, whatever you come up with. So I'm gonna show you how to make one with this little punch board. Time for a sip of coffee here. Okay, so here's the little punch board here, and you can see it's got a line down the center here. It says start line, and so you're going to line your paper up with this line here right to the top, and then you're going to punch, and you're going to use the little scoring tool that comes with it and do the rounded curve, and then straight down. Then you're going to slide it over and line up that score line that you just did with this little notch here. Punch again and do the curve. Then you're going to move over again, line that. This is called the nook right here, and you line that edge up with the nook there, that other score line there. And then you punch and do that little curve there. So you see you've got your fancy edge up at the top there. And then you flip it upside down and you do the same thing. So line that up. Oh, just a little bit over. Okay. Punch. Curve. So now we're going to line it up again here, and it'll line up with the nook. Punch. And do the curve. And then over again. Line up with the nook, punch, and curve. Oops, I think I forgot to do that score line last time. Sorry about that. I'm going to move it back here because I was supposed to do this line here. There we go. Okay, there we go. And then, let's get that out of the way. Then you're going to, on the second rounded edge, here we're going to put it in the top. And this, you will punch again. And this makes your little thumb hole. And then do the other end. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing from this side. There we go. Oops. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we can crease our lines here. And I'm just waiting for our Michael's Craft Store to come out with some Christmas paper, because I've just about used up all my Christmas pieces. And yeah, I've got projects to do, but no Christmas paper. So I'm getting down to the last of what I bought last year, which wasn't very much because I'm just pretty new to scrapbooking. So yeah, I hope they come out with it soon. So now what I'm doing is just creasing these rounded lines here. It just makes it easier when you put it together. And once you do that, then I'm just going to cut off this little curve on this one side here, because we don't need that piece. Now some people like to cut a straight angle, or you can cut the curve off. I think I'll cut the curve off this time and see how that goes. Like that. And then you want to do the same on this side. I feel like I was doing that weirdly, but anyways, let's fix that up a little bit. Okay, get those out of the way. And then basically all you're going to do now is put some tape on the edges. So it's going to go like this. And so I'll get my tape here. I just use Terran tape for this. And then you're just going to put it down the side here. And you want to get right in those little corners, so I found it's easier to just use some little bit of this tape here for that. And then you're just going to bring this over and line up your edges. Of course, I should take the backing off. I think I'm tired today. I'm not thinking clearly. Probably need more coffee. That must be it. Okay, come on, tape. Off you come. There we go. Okay, then we're just going to line this up here. Like so. Smooth that out. And then do your little fold here. It should be a little easier since you kind of rounded those edges, but you want to just give them a nice little crease. And then the same on this end here. And there's your little pillow box. Huh. Worked out with eat, drink, and be merry on the front. But yeah, so that turned out cute. And then of course you can just decorate them, you know, however you like. I've got the word peace stamped out here. I could put that on the front. There's lots of other things you could do. But anyways, I hope that gives you some ideas, and you are inspired to give these a try. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.